So I'm going to show you how to graph the data using Excel. So this is the data from the first chart that you're asked to do in this lesson. And I've go ahead and insert the data into an Excel sheet. I'm using the Excel online version. And here's wavelength, the different wavelengths that we tested, and then the absorbance that's listed as well. If you highlight all of this data and then go to Insert and select Recommended Charts, Excel will go ahead and select a chart that's recommended. And this one here with the line is really what you want. So you can just insert that chart. It's got wavelength on the x-axis as we asked and absorbance on the y-axis. There's not much you need to do to modify this, but you may want to change the title. So you can format here, go to the chart title. Here's what it says. And you might want to put in here absorbance spectrum of bromophenol blue. And that'll change that. And that graph is basically ready to go. You can, under the file, save as, and you can download a copy. You should also be able to print it or export it to a PDF. Let's see what the options are. Share, print. For some reason it's not letting me save it as a PDF, but you could print it to a PDF on your computer. Or open it in the desktop app will definitely let you export it as a PDF. So you could do print, a print-friendly view is gonna give you a PDF. That then you could save as a PDF. All right, I'm gonna switch to the other one. So this is not all of the data for the standard curve, but part of the data. So same thing here. You can just highlight the data that you have, insert recommended charts, and you're going to get a chart like this. You can insert, and you notice here you have all the data points, concentration, absorbance. To format this, you're just going to hit format, and then things like your horizontal axis, you want to say probably more than concentration. You want to include the units. So under axis title here, you would go micrograms per ml, and that will update that. Absorbance is unitless, but you're going to put the wavelength that you used for that. So you would change that in the vertical axis title label section, and then the title itself you can change as well up here. So you would want to put absorbance of bromophenol blue solutions at different concentrations or something like that to change your title. So that's how you can use online Excel. Of course, I didn't put all the data here, so make sure you insert the rest of the data. And then those are those two graphs that you would submit at the end.